There's a booger in my nose, so we have to scrap that footage. Welcome back to 2009. I look very yellow because the lighting sucks. Yeah, the lighting sucks. But we're going to be reviewing that. lmaoo's Mood Spell palette. I'm really excited. I only looked at it and I took the film off. Beautiful. I'm really interested in the shade Prue. I really want to use the bottom row, but I love purple, and I know I can't mess up on purple, so that's what we're gonna do. That's what I want to do. And my face is already all on. I'm still gonna do more to my face, because there's some stuff I want to do. First of all, I can't find my freckle pencil, and that sucks, so I guess we're not gonna do that. But I have another idea, so that's fine. Also, I'm gonna be wearing a wig, but I know if I get all my shit on, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to put my wig on, so I'm going to put on my bald cap now, and you're gonna have to see me bald for this whole video, but that's okay. Oh, and also, look, I cut my hair, so it'll be so much easier to put up. Thank God. So, give me a second, I'm gonna put this shit in a bald cap, and then we'll get to it. Apology, bitch. That was way easier than I thought. Yay! Usually that takes me forever. Oh, Jesus. So, as you can see, I'm not in my normal place. Normally I'm standing. I like standing, so that's all I know. I don't sit when I do my makeup, so this is new, and I don't like it. I also don't have my wig on right now, because it's not my hair. It's out of control. It has a mind of its own, and I'm not dealing with it. I'll do it after. Shut up. You're not my mom. I haven't swatched any of these, and I'm not going to, because I'm using my Samsung S7. You can find a better review that'll swatch these for you for sure. And people on Instagram have already done that. So if you're like looking at searching, scrounging for videos, looking for swatches, what the fuck are you doing? Just go on Instagram. Oh my God, people already got them up. Whatever. We're just gonna go in, we're just gonna try them. We're not, finger swatches aren't shit. We're just gonna see how they look on the eyes, and then we're gonna go from there. You're not my mama, I could do what I want. Ooh, this light. I have like milia all over my eyes, which I guess is perfect if you're doing a witch look. Fuck up your eyes, get some milia, ready to go. I don't know what I want to do. I didn't decide, I just wanted to do it. Oh, Phoebe's pretty too. No, we're using Prue. We're only using this palette, too. I could use other palettes, but I don't want to get back up, honestly. Whatever. So we're going to start with Sarah. Sarah is a really pretty, like, pale purple, but doesn't quite transfer on my shitty Samsung. I think there was something already on this brush, because it looks like it's the color I'm thinking of. You can see it, too. I can see it, too. Like brown. Like brown. Let's see on this eye. Yeah. Fuck. No, it's fine. It's fine. We don't even, I just wanted to use it as like a transition. And it's really though? Why? We could just go straight into Sabrina. That's all I really wanted to do. So how's everybody doing? I know I flake on social media. I've been busy. Not even busy. I have a new job. So I don't really want to do anything anymore. Yeah, we're just gonna blend Sabrina out. I don't have much lid space, so I'm gonna really focus this way up here. This looks really red on camera. What can you do? I'll take you into natural lighting when I'm done. Yeah, because this is a pretty purple. It just doesn't transfer very well on camera. Also, I thought this purple would be a little cooler than it is. It's working nice, though. I actually do think I might get up and add another palette, just so I have a color, like a deeper color, that I can put in the crease and on the bottom lash line, maybe. Also for the lid, too, because I want Prue to sit on something. Not the character. Just kind of just like watch my train wreck of ideas happen before your eyes. So this looks good. Skipping funny here, but I think that's my fault. I've never worked with a Lunar beauty shadow before. But I like Manny. I think he's funny. Also, I like that he likes anime, so he's cool in my book. Yeah, I'm gonna get another palette. Just give me 1 second. Hi! I got this in my hands. This is what we're gonna use. It is the EYN Bright Matte Palette. There's 42 colors, and I really like it. It's really cheap. It's from Beauty Bay. And there wasn't like even any like custom charges, and it was weird, and I was like, yay! Oh, and I found my freckle pencil. Yay. So we're gonna go into this purple row, maybe the blue row. We'll see. You can follow along if you have this palette. If you don't, it's a little too heavy for me to keep poking and looking at, so I guess you could Google it. Google it. Ow. hit my hand. Okie dokie. Let's see what we want to do. I think I'm going to take some Drama Queen, as I'm acting right now, and I'm going to put that in my crease with little Real Techniques. I just want to make everything a little darker. I have really creasy eyelids too. Sometimes things have to be brought down a little bit, because they are kind of creasy. And we're just like really gonna try to like focus the color though, like in the crease. But yeah, I haven't been putting on really any makeup lately because I have a new job. So I do like job makeup. No like color or anything. You know, just like foundation and I go out the door. There's still a booger in my nose. Ew. It looks kind of ass on camera. I get it. I look like ass. So you're basically seeing the real thing, just kind of yellow. I swear I'm not trying to be a racist caricature. It's just the lighting. There's nothing I can do about it, okay? You want to get me some beauty lights? Thank you. We're going to take this Sigma brush that I don't know the name of. We're just going to go back into Sabrina. The teenage bitch. So truthfully, I've never seen Charmed. When I was little, I had friends who did, and they always made me be Piper. That's all I remember. I couldn't tell you heads or tails anything else. I wanted to put like maybe Paige up here, but I don't have a lot of space on my eyes anywhere. Nah, we're gonna do it anyways. I was just gonna complain I have shitty eyes. Whatever, we're gonna blend it into Sabrina, who cares? So I want to use as much purples from this palette that I can. I mean, it looks really good. Like, do not disrespect me ever again. It looks really good in real life. We're gonna take a little bit more Sabrina, and then we're gonna stop. My arm is right next to the EYN palette, and it's like teetering, like it's gonna fall. So if you see panic in my eyes, that's why. We're gonna stop before this gets ridiculous. We're gonna stop. We're going to stop. Also, can I just say, it's gorgeous. It's my favorite. It's just my favorite to look at. And people are like, what is that? Like, who is that? And I'm like, it's fucking Manny MUA. Can you believe it? I love it. Good job, Manny. You will never see this, but good job anyways. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 from me. We could, you know, make this okay by like maybe putting like a highlight on the brow bone to like get rid of all this bullshit, but we're not gonna do that. It looks fine, and I like how it looks, so it doesn't really matter. I still want to make like the edges darker though. Is that a spider in there? Better not be. I'm gonna take Stormy Night from the EYN palette. It's a navy, it's a dark blue. See, do you see what my eyelids did? Took the color off. You bitch. So I don't want to use a black. Do I want to use a black? We'll do a Stormy Night and then we'll do Illicit. We'll do both because Illicit's a black. But let's just go with Stormy Night first. Then if I really hate it, we'll go in with Illicit. You can't see anything. That's okay though. Who gives a shit, right? If you want a better tutorial, why the fuck are you watching this one? Well, I don't like scary movies. Like, I'll find like a Coraline scary. Oh, Illicit gave me a lot of fallout. I already did my foundation. Beauty Bay. Beauty Bay. Oh, Beauty Bay. Why would you do that? Bitch, Beauty Bay. Oh no. Oh, we made it worse. Ooh, we made it worse. You might have to look at that for a while, because I'm not doing anything about it right now. I thought it would just like whisk away, you know? Sure as shit it didn't. I think I'm gonna put white there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Because I'm gonna do like really low scleras and then put like fake eyelashes, so it's just gonna be covered anyway. I just want everything very like blown out. Let's just go with more Sabrina. Did you hear that? Oh my god, it landed straight up. Let's see if I broke any of the shadows. No, they're good. Thank you, Beauty Bay, for really dense packaging. Jesus God. Because that would have been really bad. Are you done? You have fucking chodes, and I wish you would stop. I think I'm gonna go in the EYN with Livin' for Lavender. So we want to bring some cool tones back to this. We're gonna put it on the lid. I would have cut my crease, but just like the whole theme of this today is I don't really want to. This is just gonna be like a base for Prue. And I want Prue everywhere. So, good. Let's go into Prue. Let's use our finger. Oh, I got my nails done. Oh, look at this color. Ooh, which way are we going? I don't know where the camera is. Well, just take my word for it. It's really nice. Oh, so pretty. That's really pretty. Look at the difference it makes. Look at it. You can even see it on the shitty Samsung. Let's use what's left on my finger on the other eye, and then we'll just use my other finger and put it on the other one. That's so pretty. Manny, so pretty. Even with this shitty camera, you can see how pretty it is. And if you say you can't, you're lying. Let's put Phoebe in the inner corner. Come on, Phoebe, please work with me. You're embarrassing me. That was a bad idea. No, it wasn't. It's fine. We're gonna stop that shit for now. This is how it looks so far. I like that. Prue is the prettiest shade I've seen in a really long time. I like it a lot. We're gonna go in with eyeliner. We're gonna use the Epic Incliner from NYX because it's my favorite. We want a big wing. Hell yeah, we do. We want a big wing. I don't think I'm gonna take the band all the way because I notice for me, I always make the bands too big and then I can't stop. You know what I mean? Like, I always make the bands too thick. I have no eyelids. My eyes are, like, normally like that. Like, it would be like, what's the point of putting on eyeshadow if I'm just gonna make a huge, stupid line on my face? So, the light is too bright on the left side of my face, so I can't really see what I'm doing. I've never had it do that. Like, get on top. It's usually been really good with drying. Why do you do this to me? Why do you have to embarrass me in front of all my friends? I'm just gonna clean these up, because they're a little insane, and then I'll get back to cool, all fixed. So as you can see, my wig on too, because I'm gonna just do some eyelashes. But I'm gonna do some bottom liner first, and yeah. I did clean that up with concealer because it was bothering me more than I was letting off. Two things. I put my wig on backwards, and that's never happened. And then second thing, my liquid liner is leaking, and I've never had that happen either. What the hell? So I'm gonna take this NYX, ew, excuse me. Just run it on my inner waterline and lower. We want it lower too because we're not using our bottom lashes. We're gonna put on fake ones. We're just gonna give like an illusion that our eye is bigger than it really is. Like doll eyes. It's been something I've been doing a lot lately, but I've been drawing the lashes on underneath. But maybe that's why it's leaking too, because it's like I keep using it like that. I don't know. And somebody's mowing the fucking lawn. So I'm gonna go off camera for just a second, and I'm gonna put these weird Amazon lashes on. I don't know what they're called. And then I'm gonna put these sugar pill lashes on in porcelain, but I cut them because my eyes are too small, so they look silly if I don't. And then I'll be right back. Yep, I put some freckles on. I'm not quite done, but as you can see, these lashes, these top ones are on. I didn't put on mascara yet because I'm waiting for them to set more because they're still kind of sticky. But what I did want to say was, if there's like a gap where this stops and your eye goes, if you just put some eyeliner on, it just makes it look more seamless. I'm gonna go and put the bottom ones on, and then we'll be back and put some stamps on my face. Cool, eyes are done technically done. I put the bottom lashes on, and I ran Paige and Piper underneath my eyes, so that's cool. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Tattoo stamp, and I'm going to take the Stardust Studio one and stamp them like freckles across this way. I notice with Milks, I think it's more like risen, I think I would say, because when I stamp it, there's no circle, like where like the stamper is. Like I think it's just up higher. If you're not careful, it'll leave a ring around your face. So let's just do it, figure out which way I want my moon to go, and we're just gonna alternate and just hope it works right, because so far things have been leaking and really gross. See, like, why? It just looks like the letter C. But there is like an eyeliner that you can like clean it up with. Ta-da! See, and Milk Makeups is just so much darker. I just thought it was a good idea and it was cheaper. Cheaper's not always better, I guess. Do you see? Like, then if you do go hard, you get a circle. Why? I can go in with concealer, but then it just like messes everything up. See? Like, what's the point? Starlit Studios, you're killing me. You're killing me. We're getting a little too close to my eye. I'm a little worried. think we might stop that there before we just keep fucking up. Watch me have a mental breakdown on camera, not clickbait. Fun. I'm just gonna put on some mascara really quick and then I'll come back, we can do my lip. So that's done. I've been using Lash Paradise as of recently. I don't like it, I don't recommend it, and I will not repurchase it. So let's see. My idea is I want to go around with black, and then I want to use purple in the middle, and then a gloss over it. But if that doesn't work, then you won't see any of it, and you won't even know that it happened. Let us begin. I'm using ColourPop in Friday. And I know what you're thinking. Use a lip liner. I can't be bothered. I want to make them pointy, but I know I'll ruin it if I do that, so we're not going to. And then we're going to use this purple that I don't want to say the name of. As much as I love his products, just feels a little wrong. Oh, this looks fun. I don't know what I was worried about. Ew. That shit on my finger, though. It said that I reached the maximum file limit, and I don't know what that means, and well, I do know what it means, but I hope it just didn't stop, because it's still showing that it's recording. I'm going to take this Galaxy Lumineer holographic lip gloss from L'Oreal. I thought it would look cool on top, because it's like shiny. I took too much. That's pretty. That was a good idea. I don't know if they still sell this. Wow, we look so terrible from this angle. Cool. We look like a twat. Let me just go get a hat. Let's make this quick. Here we go. Better lighting. Final thoughts. I would buy the Moonspell palette. If you have the money, buy it. I think it's really good. It has a lot of colors in it. I'm going to use the rest probably off camera because my camera sucks. See what I mean about the circles? Don't buy the Starlit Studio stupid stamp. It sucks. Don't know if I want to wear glasses with this look or not. Probably going to do both. But yeah. Good palette. I really like Prue. Favorite color so far. Okay, that's it. Don't like and subscribe because there's no point. Bye.